Happy morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are fine and good. What is today's subject? Good science. Which chapter? You able to remember or not, children? Yes. Lesson 4. Varying lifestyles in animals. Today is our last part. By this session, we are going to complete our lesson. Listen carefully, children. What is today's date? Yes. 10, 9, 20. Okay. Shall we get into the lesson now? Yes, what is the topic, children? Amphibians. What is that? Amphibians. Amphibians is an animal. It is nothing but it lives on both land and water. It is an animal that lives on both land and water. Yes, what is the best example? Frog. Okay, children. Amphibians lays eggs, but it does not have shell. After the fertilized egg or hatched, baby amphibians are born. These look like small fish. See, amphibians lays eggs but it does not have shell. After the fertilized eggs are hatched, baby amphibians are born. These look like small fish. Yes, what is the special capacity? What is the special feature of a fish? It breathes through gills. In the same way, this baby frog also breathes through the gills. After they grow up, these gills disappear. What is that? Disappear gradually, and they develop lungs, so they come to live on land. Then they breathe through lungs as mammals. Understood, children? After the fertilized eggs are hatched, baby frog will be born, but it looks like a small fish. It also breathes through gills. After it grows up as an adult, gradually that gills it will disappear and they develop lungs. After that it will come on land. Okay, children. Amphibians are of different shapes and sizes. What are the examples? Frogs, toads and salamanders. Most of all these things similar to frog only, no, children. Yes, frog, salamander and toad. The next heading is reptiles. What is that? Reptiles are nothing but crawling creatures. What is that? Crawling creatures. There are two types of reptiles. Limbed reptiles. What is the example for limbed reptiles? Lizards. Okay, children. Limbless reptiles means snakes. Limbed reptiles, lizards, limbless reptiles, snakes. Snakes have scales or plates on the lower part of the body. What it have? Scales or plates on the lower surface of the body, which are attached to their muscles and ribs. So snakes move with the help of these plates. And the next thing, it does not chew its food, it just swallow it. Okay, children, snakes does not chew its food. Whenever it catches its prey, it will curl themselves and crush it. The bones, it will be crushing all the bones to stop struggling so that it can be swallowed. Pythons curl themselves. Pythons curl themselves round their prey, crush it for what? To stop struggling so that it can be swallowed. Okay, children. Next one is one key point, school of fish. School of fish means groups of fish. Shall we move to the next one? Yes, here the examples for that. Reptiles. What is this one here? Lizard. What I told you, limbed reptiles. This one is crocodile and this one is chameleon. What is the special feature of chameleon? It will changes its color according to its surroundings. It is a special feature of chameleon to prevent themselves, to prevent it from other animals. Okay, that chameleon changes its color according to its surroundings. The next one is birds. There are more than 10,000 different types of birds. How many birds? More than 10,000 different types of birds living all over the world. They are beautiful creatures to watch. Yes or no, children? Beautiful. The birds, it is of different colors now. It looks very beautiful. Beautiful creatures to watch. They are of different types and have different feeding habits. Yes or no, children? Each and every bird have different types of beaks and claws. Different types of beaks and claws. This will match their feeding habits. Some birds like tailor bird, weaver bird make beautiful nest. Parrots, peacock, hummingbirds, kingfishers, vultures and ostrich are some examples of birds. These things and all you all well known, children. Parrots, peacocks, hummingbirds, kingfishers, vultures, ostriches are some examples of birds. See, what is this first one? Kingfisher. The next one is tailor bird. This one is woodpecker. Or here what it is doing, that woodpecker pecks into the tree trunk with its sharp beak to make a hole for the nest. See, children, here this is a woodpecker. What it is doing, pecks into the tree trunk with its sharp beak to make a hole for the nest. The next one is crow and this one is sparrow. Okay, children. Next, here some birds, that tailor bird and weaver bird. What is the special thing about this tailor bird and weaver bird? Is this tailor bird, what it will do, no? By using its beak, it uses its beak as a needle to sew leaves together using thread and wool. Yes, children, it will build its nest. How it will build its nest? It uses its beak like a needle to sew leaves together using thread and wool. Okay, children. What is the special thing about this weaver bird? This weaver bird weaves pieces of leaves, grass and twigs to build a beautiful nest. Okay, weaves pieces of leaves, grass and twigs to build a beautiful nest with a tunnel like opening at the bottom through when it enters the nest. Okay, children, shall we move to the next one? Yes, what is this? Mammals. What is this? Mammals. Dogs, cats, cattle, humans. Dogs, cats, cattle, humans are all belong to this group. Perhaps you might have seen puppies or kitten feeding from its mother's body. All mammals, what is the special thing, children? All mammal babies drink milk from their mother as their first food. Mammals' body temperature is always constant. Of all mammals, man is the most intelligent. Of all mammals, man is the most intelligent. See, it will feed from there. It will get feeding from their mother. Okay, we are all mammals. Human being also a mammal. Women, examples for this mammals are woman, elephant, dog and kangaroo. Here some important fact is there. Largest and heaviest mammal is, yes, blue whale. Largest bird is ostrich. Largest egg is ostrich egg. Fastest mammal is cheetah. Fastest bird is spine-tailed swift. Smallest bird is hummingbird. What is the special thing, children? It can fly backward and sideward. Largest tooth is trunk of an elephant. The most poisonous snake is peninsular tiger snake. One time if it bite means quantity of poison is sufficient to kill 10 persons. Okay, children. Here some question is there. Give one word for the animals that live on land. Yes, what are all the animals we can able to see on the land? Dog, yes, tiger, elephant. Okay, children, give one word for the animals that live on land. Name two birds that cannot fly, flightless birds. Yes, what are all the two birds? Kiwi, penguin, ostrich, emu. Okay, children, these birds they won't fly. Write short notes on birds. Bird, it is a beautiful creature. It builds its own nest. It lay eggs and give birth to its young ones. Okay, children. Next, mention some features of mammals. Yes, mammals means all mammal babies drink milk from their mothers as their first food. Mammal body's temperature is always constant. Among the mammals, man is the most intelligent. Okay, what is the next one? Yes, quick scroll is there. Listen, children, all of you. Organisms adapt to their surroundings by adjusting their habits is known as adaptation. What is habitat? The living and dwelling place. Animals live in water, have aquatic habitat. Animals live on land and in water. Just now I told you what is that? Amphibians. Terrestrial animals live and adapt to life on land. Desert animals adapt themselves to face the heat. Birds adapt their lifestyle to fly. Different animals breathe through different types of organs like lungs, gills, moist skin, sparkles, or even by body surface. Animals are classified into invertebrates or vertebrates depending on the presence of or absence of backbone. Insects like small invertebrates which breathe with sparkles and move with legs or fly with wings. Worms are of different types having slender body. Example, earthworms. Some of them are harmful to us which they cause diseases. Next, fish are aquatic animals with streamlined bodies to swim with the help of fins. Amphibians are animals which live on both land and in water. Birds are aerial animals which breathe with lungs, have a pair of wings for flying, and their body is covered with feathers. At last, mammals have hair on body and feed their young ones with milk. Next one, this one very important children. This is your homework part also. Listen carefully. What is the first one? Adaptation. What is that adaptation? The phenomenon of an animal of adjusting himself to the surrounding. Next one, habitat. The living or dwelling place of an animal. Herbivores, those animals which eat only plants. Carnivores, they eat only flesh. Invertebrates, that does not have backbone. Vertebrates, animals which have backbone. Migration, movement of birds or animals in large numbers from one place to another in search of favorable conditions. In search of favorable conditions is known as migration. Okay children, this is your homework also children. Read and write the keywords and its definition one time. Refer book page number 36. Okay children, by this session we are completing this lesson. I hope you all understood the topic. Read and write the homework properly children. We will meet you in the next class.